Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. So our friends at Varla sent us their new upgraded Varla Pegasus, a 9-inch electric scooter. And what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it, but then we're going to go over some of the differences between the 8-inch and the 9-inch scooter. They kept a lot of things the same, which is really good because it's a fantastic scooter. The best scooter that we've tested so far. And we're hoping the 9-inch scooter is going to be even better. So it has some of the same specs, like the 28-mile range. 28 miles per hour is the max speed. The payload that this thing can handle is 280 pounds. It's a 48-volt electric scooter with a 15.6 amp hour battery. It can climb 25 degrees. Let me tell you, this thing will get up hills with no problem at all. We absolutely love the scooter on the channel. It's still got two 500-watt motors. Let me tell you guys, this thing has a lot of torque. We've tested a lot of scooters before, and definitely has a lot of torque, a lot of power, and it gets you up to speed very, very quickly. So we're super excited to try this new upgraded version. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it out of the box, and then we'll talk about the differences between the 9-inch and the 8-inch. If you guys like the content on the channel, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and also ring that notification bell for future notifications of our videos. If you're interested in purchasing your own Varla, Pegasus scooter, or even the Eagle 1 scooters, please use our affiliate link in the description below. We'll also pin it in the comments section as well. It helps out the channel, and it helps enable us to continue putting out content like this. All right, so let's get into it. All right. And just like all of our other videos, just watch out for those staples. Like I say, they'll get you. It actually arrived in really good condition, so we're really happy about that. Sometimes these shipping services can really mangle these packages when they deliver them. So very nice to see that this thing did not come mangled or damaged in any way. So there is a scooter. They do a really good job of packing this in the box. Make sure it doesn't get damaged. Guys, there it is. Like I said, this is our favorite scooter. This is the one we always grab when we need to get somewhere quick, so we don't have to deal with the e-bike batteries and stuff. But this is nice for like last mile transportation. So the good thing about these scooters is there's very limited assembly. Basically, you just got to put the handlebars on and fold that thing. They did upgrade this, the latch for where it folds. Did a really good job with the new mechanism here. The old one was kind of small, and it was a little difficult to get this thing folded and unfolded. So I know that they did upgrade this piece here. All right. Yeah, so it's going to be super simple to put this thing together. I'll latch this baby in here. Okay. All right, so you get the 2 amp charger, which I believe is in this box. Yes, there is the charger. Very nice. Got some extra parts in here. There's your bell. Extra brake pads, I believe, which is really nice. Include that. And they give you an extra ring and bolt for where the handlebar goes into here. And I see they improved that as well. Looks like a much better design. And the last one broke off pretty easily, but it looks like they definitely improved this piece here. So nice to see. It's nice that companies listen to feedback from people that use their scooters, you know, to upgrade these scooters and get those problems fixed and worthy upgrades done. All right, they give you this all-in-one tool here, which I love, but these are really nice to have. There's your manual, and here are, what I'm guessing are some spare bolts for up here. So everything else is the same. The menu is the same. I think they bumped up one of the P menus instead of 8-inch to 9-inch for the tires. Make sure you get an accurate reading on your speed, but everything else remained the same as far as software goes. But I think they changed the speed curve as well, so I think they made that a little smoother. This is a nice solid piece to keep the handlebars in. Guys, I'm telling you, the overall quality of these Varla scooters is unmatched, in my opinion, so far from what we've seen for scooters. Cannot beat it. Alright, so you want your throttle to the right and your controls for your pedal assist and things like that to the left. Oh, it tells you to. Left and right. Make sure that's lined up there. Kind of thread those in with your hands first, and then go back with the wrench. Just want to take a second to thank Varla again for sending this out to me so I could try their new and improved Varla Pegasus scooter. They are one of our favorite brands to work with. Their customer service is great, response time is excellent, and they want to make sure that everything is working properly for their customers, and if it's not, they will definitely take care of you. We haven't had a product from them come in that hasn't been working properly. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for giving us a chance to try this new scooter and show our viewers great product you put out there. We love to be honest with our viewers. We want to make sure that you guys are getting the best bang for your buck. That's the reason why we started this channel, to make sure that consumers are spending their hard-earned money on products that deserve it, and the ones that don't, we're going to let you know. All right, there we go. The handlebars are on there very snug. They did add an automatic cruise control feature on this scooter, which is really nice. So it is a nice added feature to have, especially when you're going a long way. Being able to put on that cruise control or it automatically switching on is a fantastic idea. I believe the main line, the main wire here, everything going down to is also waterproof now. All right, so let's get this thing out of the bottom styrofoam here. Oh wow, look at those tires. Yeah. Those 9-inch tires are nice. There we go. Awesome. Alright guys, so obviously this being the Varla Pegasus 9-inch, the tires were actually changed to a 9-inch tire. These are not solid tires anymore. So one of the biggest selling points on the older model, the 8-inch model, was the solid tires, so you didn't have to worry about flats. But this is a 9-inch, looks like a nice beefy tire there, a tubeless tire. But I think these will be okay, to be honest. And this will give you a lot smoother ride, because with the solid tires, you're getting a lot rougher ride, because they were solid, there was no give to them. So, you know, I like the solid tires, but I think this will be a lot better as far as the overall quality of the ride and the smoothness. So, and you can go over a lot more stuff with these bigger tires as well. You can also see the brackets they put on the fender here. So this is not going anywhere. You got very nice brakes on this scooter. Same charge port. And I really do like this ring on the back. Looks like they definitely did improve that, because on the old one it was breaking off, but they did include spares, so we were able to use our spare on there. But it's nice to see that they improved that as well. But guys, I think the 9-inch tires, especially these beefy tires here, are gonna be nice for going over more kinds of terrain and just you know, make it a less bumpy ride. Like we said before too, they changed this mechanism in the front. It's a lot easier to use, and honestly it's a lot more secure to lock this in place. So that's definitely a welcome improvement. Just an overall great featured electric scooter. And you got that nice tight steering there. Just feels really nice. I love the deck is nice and solid. Even that lip in the back, you can put your back foot on there, make you feel a lot more sturdy on the scooter. Power this bad boy up. See how much battery it has on there. So it's fully charged. And there's your pedal assist. It'll go all the way up to 3. Remember on the last 8-inch scooter too, the grip was very loose and it was hard to tighten. Couldn't really get that tightened up, so we had to replace them. There's your throttle on the right. If you hold this, it'll turn on and off your scooter. And if you click this, this will change the modes. So this will actually show you your voltage, which is awesome to see on an electric scooter. The current, the time on the scooter, and the trip. And I love the big display. That's one of the things that really caught my eye in the first Varla Pegasus that we had, was a big display that was very easily read while you were even in the sun, things like that. So we love that part. And the brakes are awesome on this scooter, so you don't have to worry about not being able to stop. The brakes are disc brakes. You have disc brake in the front and the disc brake in the rear. And it also does have ABS as well. We also said that it has a 15.6 amp hour battery. That's rated at 748 watt hours. We're really excited to test the scooter out. See how the new 9-inch tubeless puncture resistant tires do, especially being that beefy. We'll see what we can go over, see how the ride feels, things like that. So guys, please subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, also ring that notification bell for future notifications when we post videos like the new Varla Pegasus 9-inch electric scooter. If you guys want to see specific videos regarding the Varla Pegasus upgraded 9-inch electric scooter, please leave those ideas in the comments below, and we'll be more than happy to get that content out to you. Until then, guys, thank you very much for watching. We really appreciate you guys. Peace out.